Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for Eritreans in exile, starting a business. Look, I know, starting a business anywhere is tough, but starting one when you're in exile? That's next level hustling. It's like trying to run a marathon uphill in the snow while balancing a pot of injera on your head. It's not easy, but hey, Eritreans, we know a thing or two about resilience, right? So, if you're thinking about starting a private business, stick around because we're going to break down the top jobs you should consider first. These jobs are like boot camp for entrepreneurs. They'll give you the skills and experience you need to conquer the business world. And hey, if you like what you hear, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Alright, first up, we've got the Community Outreach Coordinator. Now, some of you might be thinking, community outreach, what's that got to do with business? Oh my friend, let me tell you, it's got everything to do with business. See, when you're building a business, especially in a new place, your network is your lifeline. It's like they say, it's not what you know, it's who you know. And as a community outreach coordinator, you're basically getting paid to meet people, build relationships, and become a connector in your community. You'll be attending events, talking to people, understanding their needs, and basically becoming the go-to person for, well, everything. Trust me, the connections you make in this role will be invaluable when it's time to launch your own venture. Next up, we're diving into the world of the service industry. Now, I know what you're thinking, service industry? I thought we were talking about starting a business, not taking orders. But hold on, my friend, because the service industry is like a crash course in understanding customers. Think about it. When you're working in a restaurant, a store, or any service-oriented job, you're interacting with customers all day long. You're learning what they like, what they don't like, what makes them tick. You're basically becoming a master of customer psychology without even realizing it. And that, my friend, is priceless knowledge when it comes to building a successful business. Alright, moving right along to our next power job, the sales representative. Now, I know some people have a love-hate relationship with salespeople, but here's the thing. Sales is an essential skill for any entrepreneur. Because at the end of the day, no matter how amazing your product or service is, if you can't sell it, you're not going to make it. And that's where being a sales representative comes in. This job will teach you how to identify customer needs, craft compelling pitches, handle objections, and close deals. You'll learn how to turn a no into a yes, and most importantly, how to build trust and rapport with potential customers. Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the financial side of things. Because let's be real, starting and running a business is all about the money, honey. You need to know how to manage your finances, understand cash flow, and make smart investments. And that's where a job as a financial analyst can be incredibly valuable. As a financial analyst, you'll gain a deep understanding of financial statements, budgeting, forecasting, and all those other fun things that make most people's eyes glaze over. But trust me, having a strong foundation in finance will give you a major advantage when it comes to making sound business decisions. Last but not least, let's talk about managerial roles. Because whether you're managing a team of 2 or a team of 20, being a good leader is crucial for entrepreneurial success. Now, leadership isn't about bossing people around or throwing your weight around. It's about inspiring, motivating, and guiding your team towards a common goal. And that's exactly what you'll learn in a managerial role. You'll develop your communication skills, delegation skills, and conflict resolution skills. All essential qualities for any successful business owner. And there you have it, folks. These jobs might not have CEO in the title, but they can provide you with the skills and experience you need to successfully start your own business. Remember, success in business is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, learn as much as you can, build your network, and never stop hustling. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.